Hey my friends, this is Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about the only reason why most people get a divorce. This advice can change your life, whether you are married and you want to improve your relationship, or you're not married and you want to make the right decision about the person you will marry. So please listen up. The only reason why most people get a divorce is because they miscommunicate. Yes, my friends, the only reason why most people fail in their marriage is because they don't talk about the serious issues in life. Now I know every marriage is different. Some people might be like, Daniel, I was arranged. You can't say that my marriage is not working out because I didn't even decide who I was gonna marry. But my friends, I have some news for you. Your parents did. Your parents miscommunicated with other parents about who you needed to marry, and what I'm basically saying is that someone miscommunicated and it may lead to a divorce. So now that I covered a large number of people who are arranged, let me talk about the people who are deranged. Because basically, if you are going into a marriage and you feel like you know everything about your spouse when you don't, that's basically what you are, deranged. And there's so many times where people are confused about the process of marriage that they think it's one way, but it's actually a whole different way than they were expecting. Look, my friends, it's very simple. Before you get married, you should know everything about this person. You should spend enough time asking quality questions about everything pertaining to who you're about to marry. So that means that you need to spend hours and hours asking intelligent questions about their spirituality, their finances, their health, their fitness, their family, their friends, their plans, their talents and skills and abilities, and so many different things that you need to know about the person you are about to marry. Yes, my friends, there's so many topics that you're gonna have to communicate about. You're gonna have to talk about politics, sex, parenting, living together, dealing with parents, and a whole bunch of different things that you probably can't even think of unless you write it down and have conversations about them. You see, so many people jump into marriage because they're attracted to someone physically, but they don't know anything about them spiritually, mentally, emotionally. They just dive right in, not even knowing who they're marrying. My friends, this is a major mistake that will lead to massive tragedies in the end. So what I'm basically saying is that you have to figure out who you're marrying before you decide to do so. And also, if you are already married, don't be afraid to talk about these subjects if you haven't covered them already. Be willing and able to talk about everything pertaining to the past, the present, and the future. Look, there's so many different topics that you haven't even covered yet. Even your past traumas. Maybe you've been through something, or your spouse has been through something that is still bothering them that only you can help them to release. My friends, this is the opportunity to heal your marriage. Don't let the little things get in your way, but instead focus on understanding your wife or your husband every single day. My friends, this is Aldie, and I just shared with you the only reason why most people get a divorce: miscommunication. If you miscommunicate on a small level, eventually your tensions become bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you start miscommunicating on a larger level because you cannot trust each other anymore. So what I'm basically saying is to do your part and open your heart by sharing everything you've ever dealt with from the start. My friends, this is Aldie. Please communicate with your spouse and let them know how much you love them. Buy them a gift, write them a poem, do something different that you've never done before, and catch them by surprise. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.